Okay, hello, welcome back to Phil's Salvage Rebuilds, and again we're going to dive into this Fiesta ST that we still don't have running, but we're pretty sure we know what it is now from the previous video, and that's the crash sensor. So in today's video I want to get the whole of this front end all stripped off so we can find out a full list of exactly what we need to order for this car, all the part numbers and everything, and have a look for any hidden damage, things like that. See what we can repair, see what we can't repair, you know, because crash sensor, I've seen it comes with slam panels when they're second hand on eBay, so I'm not ordering that crash sensor separately. I want to order it as a pack. It'll be cheaper. So we'll dive in and we'll start stripping this car down and see what we find. All right then. So what we're looking at, the front panel's in a couple of pieces, so that's going to be a definite changer, but let's get it pulled apart. Let's get this front bumper skin off first, get the headlight out, and that'll show us then a lot more what's going on behind here and exactly what's damaged. I think that's going to be the best plan. Got ourselves the bonnet and the bumper off. The top piece of the slam panel is just non-existent. It's snapped straight off. So yeah, slam panel for definite. This aircon rad has definitely seen better days, so we need an aircon rad. That's cover for the battery. But like I said, we have full header bottle, so I'm pretty sure that the radiator is probably going to be okay, although it does look bent, doesn't it? It does look like it bends. So perhaps we'll have to have a look at a radiator, but it's not the end of the world. Nothing below the crash bar has been touched. This little plastic cover is fine. It connects into the top plastic cover, which is why it's loose. The bottom plastic under tray, well, bottom frame should I say, all fine. Nothing looks out of place under there anywhere. The bottle's good, no damage on that. No, not a single mark on the crash bar, so we're good there. But I am going to have to take it off because the slam panels I think fix through the same fixings as the crash bar, I think, but I'm not really sure, to be honest. Perhaps it just fixes onto the front here, can't really tell. Perhaps that can stay on and it just comes upwards, not sure. So we'll carry on the strip down. It looks like I'm going to have to dump the coolant, unfortunately. I'll have to find a bucket somewhere to put that in for now. Yeah. Alright, so we've got it all stripped down. Isn't that bad at all, really. It's all the usual things that we were expecting. Plus the bottom of the airbox has got a hole in it. So I need a bottom section of an airbox. It's nothing else. So these are all bits of the front panel. Well, that's a bit of an headlight. Actually, that's an headlight adjuster. But yeah, the front panel is absolutely destroyed. No damage, like I said earlier, to the intercooler. All that's perfect. Nothing from the crash bar down. Little bit of bent brackets on the crash bar, but I would expect they'll probably just bend back. But I will have a look how much a crash bar is, and if they're not much money, I might just pick up another. So what have we got now then? So we've pretty much got everything off we need to now. Like I said, I'm going to whip that bottom of the airbox out as well, just get a part number off it. But I've got all my bits and pieces, all my front panel there. This bit of a plastic trim off the top, I'm going to have to get a new one of. That's a bit worse for wear. What do we think about this bumper? Is it repairable? This lot, I don't know whether with a heat gun you'd get it to put back, you know, into its place. These little cracks at the top, you could repair them, no problem. Again, that one. But then again, over here, again, it's pushed in, but it's all there. It's just whether a bit of heat on this would let it, would you know, relax it back to its original position. So what do you think? Do you think we can repair that? Do you think it's too far gone? We need a grill anyway, but the bottom grills are spot on. Spotlights are fine. Do you think I should give it a go, or do you think I should just buy another one? Air Conrad is toast. It was empty. There's no saving that. I think I'm going to stick with this radiator. I don't see the reason why I shouldn't. You know, it was holding water. There's no damage. Yeah, perhaps it's a little bit misshaped along the top, but I don't see why that really matters. But this is a decent pack going that includes it. You know, all as one with the front panel. Perhaps I'll just buy it. A few little brackets and bits and pieces, but all in all, yeah, pretty happy. Bit of dirt on the inside of the window there. Headlights. Someone did mention you can get a tab repair kit for these headlights. I've had luck, you can, granted, but I don't think a tab repair kit is going to fix that somehow. So yeah, that's well and truly met the end of its life, and that's the leveling motor as well. So yeah, and if you think that one's bad, check that one out. It's, yeah, I don't think we could stick that in somehow. So, come on. Yeah, unfortunately it's pair of headlights should I say, but they're not big money these, about 150 for a pair, so it's not like the issue we've got with the Corsa at the minute, with them asking 300 each, 600 quid for a set of them, brand new. So yeah, got it stripped. Let's get all our part numbers written down now, and then I can go off and I can order all the parts for this car and see what happens with that. So as always guys, thank you very much for watching these videos. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, please press that subscribe button. Press the bell notification so it tells you when any future videos are uploaded. big thumbs up for the videos. All of it helps massively towards the YouTube algorithm and promoting these videos within YouTube. We're growing well. You know, the first video of this car gained us 20 subscribers. You know, and that's a substantial amount on our 420, I think it was at the time. So you know, I've got high hopes for this car. It's going to be a beautiful car when it's finished. And stick around and watch the progress of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.